Hello everyone, welcome to our channel once again. So today in this video we are going to make one special dish which is called mutton keema. So it is very easy to cook, so watch the video carefully and you can try it in your home. So come on, let's start the video. So firstly we'll put oil in the pan. We'll add green chilli. And now you can add chopped onions. And we need to fry it until it turns into brown color. So you can do that one. Now we are adding cinnamon. So if you have cinnamon, then now you can add cinnamon and then cloves. So this is ginger garlic paste with cumin seeds. So we are mixing this with the content and then again we are frying it. So after it turns into brown color, now we are adding turmeric powder over it. And then you can see the color. We are adding red chilli powder also for the taste. So if you don't like so much spicy, you can add little bit of green chilli powder, no problem. And at last, tomato paste. So you can see in the video we mix all the masalas and then you can see the color also. So now it is ready. So finally we are going to add salt over it. So there is no any fixed quantity. So according to your taste you can just add salt and all the ingredients. And this is garam masala. So even we are mixing garam masala in this paste. So finally you can see here this is keema. Normally we can get keema in the shop. So we just clean the keema and then now we are adding it with the masalas. So keep one thing in mind, all these masalas which we are putting, you can either add it or you can just avoid it. According to your taste you need to put the quantity. So you need to cook this for almost half an hour. Then the taste will be good because it is mutton, so it takes time to cook well. So you just cook for half an hour, almost 25 to 30 minutes. So at last coriander leaves will give the final touch of this dish. So here it is, you can see our delicious keema is ready and now we are going to have it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video with another amazing recipe.